Hey, let me explain to you how a woman who is a stay-at-home mom can make a killing starting a screen repair business. In case I haven't met you before, my name is Daniel. I run Screen Repair Business Academy, where I will teach guys and girls how to launch incredibly profitable screen repair businesses in 8 weeks or less. So let's go. How could you, if you wanted to be a stay-at-home mom, make a living repairing phones for people? How would you get started? Because say you are like my wife and you want to prioritize being present with the kids and not work your full-time job. My wife's amazing. She's trained to be a teacher. She's chosen to be home with our kiddos. If she wanted to get into repair, what should we do? What should she do? And I apologize. I know many of y'all hate it when guys explain something to you. So I'm sorry, but this is my field of expertise. So here's what I would suggest. If you're a girl and you want to get into phone repair, it could be a great thing, because if you're staying home with kids, if you're raising young kids, you have a very flexible schedule. Your time is everywhere and your sleep schedule is everywhere, right? So what you can do, and one of the benefits of running a home repair shop, is having a wide range of times you're available, and that's exactly what you have. You never know what it is because you've got kids and kids are crazy. But the best thing about running a phone repair shop is you can schedule repairs using your phone. People can call you on your phone while you're out and about with the kids, and you can schedule things with them in a way that makes it work for you. So if you wanted to get started with phone repair, sorry for meandering, here's what I would do. I would simply get yourself set up with a Facebook page, get yourself a simple business site made up. It's super easy to make a website up these days. So many places make it simple. Facebook page, business sites, Google My Business Listing, all those things anyone can do in about an hour. Use AI to generate yourself some sort of AI image. And here's a secret that you should do if you're a woman getting into phone repair. Play up the mom aspect of what you're doing. Play up the woman aspect of what you're doing. My wife wrote a freezer cooking cookbook a couple years ago, right? And we made a Facebook page for her cookbook. It's a Busy Mom's Guide to Freezer Cooking is what it's called, right? So I've invested thousands of dollars and hours in growing my phone repair business Facebook page. She's invested one post in her Facebook page about a Busy Mom's Guide to Freezer Cooking. That page has 10,000 followers. 10,000 followers, and she hasn't spent a dime or invested any time on it. That's how crazy the mom world is. So if I were you, I would get Facebook, Google My Business, and another website made super simply, super easy to do. Play up the mom side of it. Let's say a busy mom who repairs phones, something like that. You're smarter than me. You can come up with it. And then with regards to learning how to do phone repair, honestly, you should get into this only if you kind of like phones. My wife hates technology. This is not her gig. But if you enjoy technology and you like working with your hands, this is your gig. And then what you do is you connect with friends and family and network the heck out of your phone repair business. It could be a very profitable thing for you to do, to repair phones for friends and family members while still prioritizing being present with the kids that you love. So just a few thoughts. I help people all the time, and I would love to help you short circuit that process and do it so much faster. I hope this video helps you out a little bit. Have a good day.